Welcome to my YouTube channel. How to the fix in the chat GPT is not working. Chat GPT error problem 402 the error problem and the chat GPT PC and laptop main scene error problem. The chat GPT is not working and first of all the solution update now. First of all, the PC, the laptop main processors and the error problem. And first of all, the Chrome browser and different browser but same error. But open the Chrome browser and search and type the histories opens. And first of all, the claim browser data. First of all, claim browser data. The open the first of all claim browser data and claim data claims and properly guideline and 7 days 24 घंटे and last घंटे and last weekend the properly claims and back to and open the Apple Store and the Chrome browser. First of all the update now and search PC and laptop main scene and the first of all open the chat GPT is new version update now and new version update now and first of all the open the PCs and chat GPT is open search bar chat GPT the open the chat GPT is properly solution update now.